So first, what you can do is you could navigate to the template gallery and select the construction management app. You're going to go to the top right of your Knack account. Then you can click on Start from a Sample App, as mentioned previously. And from there, just look up this one right here. Let's do construction and then click on management. So click on that and then press Create App on the bottom right. This is pretty much laying the groundwork of a comprehensive project management solution. From scheduling and budgeting to seamless communication, this template is going to provide a solid foundation for managing your construction projects efficiently. If we take a look at here, it has everything from projects, vendors, materials, time tracking, job scheduling, budget tracking, invoices, communications. It has everything you need. There are a myriad of different fields that you can obviously adjust and change, and all of these tables are easily integrated with other systems. However, we really recommend that you dive into this app and see what you need to change for yourself, as there are so many different tables to work in, and this is going to save you a lot of time in the initial buildup of this Knack solution. Also on the account side, with the user roles, you'll see that there are ones for workers, contractors, business owners, and office staff. All of these different workers are able to interact with specific fields in certain ways in order to make sure that from a front end and back end standpoint, there are only specific people that can interact with certain fields. This is one of the best parts of Knack, as we really see a lot of benefits in field and record level permissions. As you can see right here, specific users have their own status and role and can interact with tables specifically. Then on the pages side, we also have a myriad of different access points. As you can see, that lock symbol signifies that it is a restricted page and only specific user roles are able to see those pages. Clicking on this, there's a login for this page, and you can go to the live app to preview the setup that we have within this application. Here's an example of the username and password test that you can set up in order to make this showcase. So I can copy and paste the username and password example here and press sign in. And then from there, you'll see the entire setup. We have the different pages that you saw with the lock symbols earlier. And inside of this, all of that front end information is shown from the projects here. And then there's obviously like a home page, the ability to go in and check out any of these different records, clicking on vendors as well, materials. All that different table data is essentially viewed by the user once they log in this front end option, which is a lot better than what you see in the back end. As per usual, portals just kind of look better in the front end that we create it with. And this template takes out all of that work and allows you to see all of it very easily. As you can see right here, I'm just going to scroll through, check out the contractors, you can check out the different invoices. As you can see, there's a spot to add for the majority of these, mattering on the user type you are. And then I can go to communications as well. And I have the ability to make additions, subtractions, and furthermore.